Hello there, welcome back. It's me, Alicia here with a new product for you today. Today I'm introducing you to the It's All You, because it's all you. The It's All You My Best Hair Kit. The It's All You My Best Hair Kit comes with a beautiful fuchsia bonnet. It's freaking like fuchsia. I mean, fuchsia was a color I feel like created by God, right? Like it is such a beautiful, like I can't, look at this color is so beautiful. So it comes with a fuchsia bonnet, a scrunchie, a Fuchsia Medium Scrunchie, and then the It's All You scarf. The scarf is 35 inches by 35 inches. Now, one thing about the It's All You My Best Hair Kit, there's only two available. One in regular size, one in medium size. It will be available in the one collection. The one collection means there's only one, maybe two, and in this instance, there is two. The best thing about the My Best Hair Kit, it gives you the option and versatility for your nightly hair routine. You can wear your scarf and your bonnet. You can only wear your scarf. You can only wear your bonnet. If you like to do hair days 1 through 3 with the bonnet, days 4, 5, 6 with the scarf, it's very versatile. You can also use your scarf to cover your pillow so you're not sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. You can use your scarf. You can wear your scarf out during the day. You can use your scarf to cover your headrest while you're driving to avoid frizz on the back of your hair. It is such a versatile option for your nightly hair routine. I have locks. I use the My Best Hair Kit in all kinds of ways, you know. You want to do a Monday bun day, Sunday bun day with your scrunchie. So many different options. So that is why I created the My Best Hair Kit. And this, again, My Best Hair Kit is only available in 2 sizes. Yeah, so that's it. So it is going to be in the one collection, and it is available at NPTressTreats.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the next drop and the latest My Best Hair Kit. Bye!